Welcome back. Time now is 6:40. In the current economy, your credit card can be a lifeline if you're in a pinch for cash.
Or it can be why you're in a pinch, too.
That's true.
It looks like some credit card companies are having troubles of their own, and now they're willing to cut that lifeline, even if you are a good customer.
Paula Tutman is joining us now to explain more, and this can be a little scary for people realizing, maybe at the checkout, that, whoa, my credit card's been canceled.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, today might be a good day to check on the status of your plastic. We've been hearing a lot about this bill that's slated to go into effect on Thursday that will keep credit card bank companies from just raising fees or dropping you without notice because they don't like your spending habits or bill paying habits or whatever. Well, in advance of that law going into effect, some bank card companies are essentially cleaning house. When Mary Horowitz tried to treat herself to a day at the spa for her 28th birthday, boy, did she get a big surprise.
The girl at the counter told me that my card had been declined.
Mary called her credit card company, American Express, to find out why. After all, she says her card had a zero balance and she'd been an American Express member in good standing for 5 years.
They told me that my card had actually been canceled the previous week because of delinquent history on my credit report. And I asked them specifically what delinquent payments and what late payments.
Mary is one of millions of Americans to have a credit card suddenly just shut off.
Credit card issuers are proactively cleaning house. A consumer who either doesn't use the card or underutilizes the card is simply not generating revenue for the credit card issuer.
And with the unemployment rate at 9.4% and expected to move higher, banks are scrambling to reduce their exposure to potentially bad credit lines.
Everybody presents a higher risk than what they did a year ago. Each individual card company is going to look at their own portfolio, their own customers.
Banks are on a deadline. They're rushing to close accounts and up fees ahead of the Consumer Credit Card Bill of Rights law scheduled to take effect in part on Thursday, when credit card companies must give customers 45 days notice before upping their interest rates. Yet they can still slash credit lines, and most expect they will. According to one prominent Wall Street analyst, more than $2 trillion, half of all credit lines available in the U.S., may be rescinded by the year 2010. Consider forgoing the prestige of a certain kind of bank card. Try a credit union debit card or a Visa, MasterCard credit card, accepted in more places really than American Express. And credit unions play by different rules because they are member-owned. You guys, my favorite credit card, right here, my Communicating Arts Credit Union credit card. Love this card. Never have any trouble from them. Call a credit union. They've relaxed rules so that more people can be members. But again, they're probably not going to treat you like a lot of those other bank cards. Well, just something to think about.
Same thing happened to me with American Express. I hadn't used it for 6 months. It had a zero balance, and I got a letter and said, canceled.
Yeah.
And I know how you like to shop, so that was their mistake.
Well, it was kind of a good thing, though. Just like that lady.
I
had no idea.
I said, no problem. I didn't open up another card, and I just chose to use my debit card and pay for cash.
I just learned how to use a debit card, and it's going much better for me.
Congratulations.
Better way to control your money.
Welcome to the
debit card.
Yeah.
Okay.
The modern age.